I'm a cranky old Yank in the clanky old tank, and I'm heading for a hullabaloo. I'll be riding my tank through a Tokyo bank, sure as I'm an army buckaroo.
Hey, we're using the actual thing that came with the CES kit. We're putting that on there because our little loadmaster here tells us if we put a chain on this, when it snaps, it won't cut us in two and it'll just bind it down or something. I'm gonna stand off to the side and film it.
I'll be riding my tank through a Tokyo bank, sure as I'm an army buckaroo.
I do have a backup plan. I'll push it with the tractor if it gets stuck. The battery might be dying on the winch, so we're gonna push it with the tractor.
And when I set my khaki down in old Nagasaki.
All right, we had to go get a new battery. The old battery died. Eventually, we'll get this up there. We're so close. We also switched the hooks from the top to the bottom.
I'll be singing like a wacky jackaroo, and you can bet my cracky every sukiyaki lackey will be looking mighty tacky when I do. I'm a cranky old Yank in the cranky old tank.
We're at Eric's house, Eric's garage. And that's where we're gonna start fixing little Alice here. There's a Jeep back there somewhere. And the Jeep is what we use to pull this off the trailer. Now to get it inside the building, we're gonna push it with a tractor. It's kind of like what we did at my house. And this is the inside of little Alice. She's been stripped totally, and she's a dirty girl, man.
And I'm heading for a hullabaloo. I'll be riding my swank little hanky-panky tank through the streets of Yokohama.
Yeah, when you have a ferret that's really sick, you got to bring it to the third level maintenance shop. That is Eric's.
Mighty tacky when I do. I'm a cranky old Yank in the cranky old tank, and I'm heading for a hullabaloo. I'll be riding my swank little hanky-panky tank through the streets of Yokohama with a Honolulu mama singing those Beatles, flat on his seat-o, hero Hito blues, some blues.
We're good.
All right, brake on.
Brake is on.
Now put the first gear.
First gear to keep her locked down.
All right. Woo!
And that was relatively painless.
I'm a cranky old Yank in a cranky old tank, and I'm heading for a hullabaloo. I'll be riding my tank through a Tokyo bank, sure as I'm an army buckaroo.